Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And I've been organizing my closet. I just finished organizing the clothing over there on that side, and I have a setup here of two tables with long legs. They are glass tables, glass top tables, and they are stackables. You can stack one on top of the other. They'll even look like bookshelves, but I don't like to use them like that because, they're glass and they used to belong to my mom. They weren't in the greatest shape here. I just cleaned it up, but that doesn't come off. But what I did to the legs was I wrapped them up in wrapping paper, beautiful wrapping paper. And it was from the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree wrapping paper made this effect to the legs of those tables. So I removed everything that I had here. As you can see, I'm cleaning. This here was my mom's, and it has a lot of keepsake things that belong to my mom. I even have her picture here, right there. That was from the funeral. May she rest in peace. And I have it there because all this was hers. All these little things were hers. She even had a keychain here of Atlantic City. She was really big on casino. Her and my dad. So anyway, this is a keepsake thing that I have there, and the rest I will place back my my items. The items that I originally had there were shoes, miniature shoes, some dolls and stuff like that. And these are my little perfumes. I'm really not a perfume person. It's just that they've given me perfume, and I usually love the bottles. Every now and then I'll put a little bit of perfume on. Aren't they beautiful bottles? That mirror was a gift. It was from a set of 3. The other one is right underneath, and the other one is somewhere. I don't see it right now, but it is somewhere. And that is a poster back there. And this here, this is a candle holder. It was a gift to me, so you place the candle there. Beautiful gift. So yes, I'm in the middle of cleaning, and I'll bring you back when I have some other items to display on top of here. I think that this will be it for now. If you have a space in your closet where you can maybe have a little wall unit, and on top you can have stackable tables like that, I think it looks good. I mean, if you like it, that's what matters, for your space. Alrighty, I think that this will be it, and thank you for watching.